Homeowners searching for replacement doors New Orleans want style, security, and storm-ready performance in one upgrade. Door Replacement New Orleans, Louisiana services help improve curb appeal, energy savings, and daily comfort across New Orleans, Louisiana. From front door replacement New Orleans homes need in historic neighborhoods to exterior door replacement New Orleans properties require after-weather damage, modern products are built for durability and design. Residential door replacement New Orleans projects often include insulated replacement doors New Orleans families appreciate for temperature control, plus security door replacement New Orleans residents trust for added peace of mind in busy urban and suburban areas. Front door replacement New Orleans properties should match the architecture of each neighborhood while adding value and protection. New entry doors New Orleans homeowners choose range from classic wood door replacement New Orleans styles to low-maintenance fiberglass door replacement New Orleans options and reinforced steel door replacement New Orleans systems. Entry door replacement New Orleans projects are especially popular in the French Quarter, Garden District, Uptown, and Lakeview, where distinctive home styles call for custom replacement doors New Orleans clients can personalize. Double entry doors New Orleans buyers prefer create a dramatic first impression and work beautifully for larger homes and renovated historic residences. Patio access upgrades are a smart investment for bright interiors and easy backyard living. Patio door replacement New Orleans services include sliding glass door replacement New Orleans, French door replacement New Orleans, and energy-efficient doors New Orleans homeowners want for better insulation in humid Gulf Coast conditions. Sliding glass door replacement Lakeview New Orleans homes often need focuses on smoother operation, stronger seals, and improved glass performance. Patio door replacement Kenner Louisiana clients request is also common for family homes looking to connect indoor and outdoor spaces. Whether in Metairie, Kenner, or Bywater, professionally installed patio systems can transform functionality and appearance. Storm protection matters in Southeast Louisiana, making hurricane impact doors New Orleans one of the most important upgrades available. Hurricane impact door replacement New Orleans East homeowners seek helps defend against strong winds, flying debris, and driving rain while maintaining a polished look. Storm door replacement New Orleans properties benefit from can also increase ventilation and add another layer of security. Exterior door replacement New Orleans homes require after repeated weather exposure should be completed with proper sealing, hardware, and framework. In neighborhoods like Gentilly, Algiers, and the West Bank, durable impact-rated products are especially valuable. Custom design is a major reason many families choose custom replacement doors New Orleans contractors provide. Custom entry doors Uptown New Orleans properties often feature decorative glass, bold color finishes, premium hardware, and dimensions tailored to older homes. Replacement door Garden District New Orleans, Louisiana homeowners install frequently need to preserve historic charm while meeting modern standards for energy efficiency and performance. Replacement doors French Quarter New Orleans, Louisiana services may involve unique openings, ornate trim details, and careful fitting. From Marigny to Tremé, custom solutions help blend local character with practical strength and lasting beauty. Professional installation makes every product perform as intended, which is why experienced door installers New Orleans residents trust are essential. Home door installation New Orleans projects involve precise measurement, threshold leveling, weather stripping, and secure attachment to prevent air leaks and operational issues. Door replacement contractors New Orleans homeowners hire should also evaluate for door frame replacement New Orleans needs, especially in older structures with moisture damage or settling. Exterior door installers Garden District New Orleans specialists often handle challenging historic openings and detailed finishing work. From Central City to Carrollton, expert installation protects the investment and supports long-term reliability. Energy savings are another major advantage of upgrading with energy-efficient doors New Orleans homes can use year-round. Insulated replacement doors New Orleans homeowners choose help reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and lower strain on HVAC systems during hot Louisiana summers. Fiberglass door replacement New Orleans options are popular for resisting warping and rot, while steel door replacement New Orleans products are known for strength and thermal performance. Even wood door replacement New Orleans selections can be built with advanced cores and weather seals. In Mid-City, Broadmoor, and Jefferson Parish, LA, efficiency-focused door upgrades are a practical home improvement choice. Neighborhood-specific service matters because each area has its own home styles, weather exposure, and installation needs. Replacement doors Uptown New Orleans LA homes request often lean toward elegant entry systems, while replacement doors Mid-City New Orleans Louisiana projects may focus on value and dependable everyday performance. Replacement doors Lakeview New Orleans Louisiana properties install frequently prioritize storm readiness and large patio openings. Replacement doors Metairie New Orleans area and replacement doors Kenner New Orleans area customers often want affordable replacement doors New Orleans companies offer without sacrificing quality. Across the Warehouse District, Lower Garden District, and New Orleans East, localized experience leads to better recommendations. Security and structural integrity should never be overlooked during door replacement New Orleans Louisiana projects. Security door replacement New Orleans homeowners invest in can include multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and durable materials suited for long-term use. Door frame replacement New Orleans services are often necessary when old jambs show rot, rust, or movement that affects function. Front door replacement Metairie Louisiana homeowners schedule commonly combines improved locking hardware with updated appearance. For families in Algiers, Gentilly, and Central City, secure exterior door replacement New Orleans solutions offer both confidence and curb appeal. Affordable options are available for nearly every property type, making affordable replacement doors New Orleans a high-demand search for homeowners and landlords alike. Residential door replacement New Orleans services can be tailored to condos, single-family homes, duplexes, and renovation properties throughout the city. Replacement doors Bywater New Orleans Louisiana clients choose may emphasize style, while replacement doors Broadmoor New Orleans Louisiana and replacement doors West Bank New Orleans Louisiana projects often prioritize durability and cost control. Whether the need is French door replacement New Orleans, patio door replacement New Orleans, or entry door replacement New Orleans, quality products and skilled installation deliver lasting value across New Orleans, Louisiana.